This is the Orion sensor transmitter. At the top here you have 3 ultrasonic wind transducers which are used to measure wind speed and direction. Be careful when installing the sensor head not to bump or hit these against anything. It could cause misalignment, which would result in invalid wind readings. Also at the top here you have a impact rain sensor which is used to measure rainfall. And lastly, there's a bird spike kit to keep birds off the sensor head. Below this is a solar radiation shield, which inside here is a module that houses the pressure, temperature, and humidity sensors. And if we turn the sensor head over, you will see a north arrow marking, which is used to align the sensor head to true north. Alternatively, you can also use these 2 transducers at the top, which are in line with the north marking. You can use those to align the sensor to north as well. When installing the Orion sensor transmitter, the first step is to attach the mounting adapter, which is just a simple twist lock connection. Then, place the sensor head onto the mast. The next step is to align the sensor head to true north. To do this, you can use a smartphone compass app. For an iPhone, be sure to enable the Use True North setting in the compass settings. Finally, using the included Allen wrench, tighten the set screw. Finally, to complete the Orion installation, you want to attach the Orion sensor cable to the lightning arrestor cable. Then, attach the other end of the surge arrestor cable to the main sensor cable. Finally, you want to ground the lightning arrestor using the grounding lug in the back of the surge arrestor using a 6-gauge copper wire to earth ground. Now that you've installed the Orion weather station and routed the main sensor cable into the building, you can connect the main sensor cable to the interface module. And this is the interface module. It gives us a way to power the sensor head and to pass the data on to other devices. It has 2 identical serial ports and 2 LED lights, one for power and one for signal. It also has an internal fuse and 2 removable terminal blocks. Okay, now you can connect the main sensor cable to the interface module by just following the provided system diagram. And once that's complete, you can connect the interface module to, for one, the weather microserver with the provided cable. You can also connect the interface module to the touchscreen weather display with the provided cable. Connect it here to the serial port. And the interface module can also be connected to a Windows computer running WeatherMaster software with a USB to serial adapter.